Hello friends, welcome back to a brand new video, and today I'm doing a video on the human cell. So let's get straight into this video. What is a cell? The cell is the smallest unit with properties of life. All living things are made out of cells, like plants, animals, and you. We have trillions of cells in our body. Different types of cells. Stem cells. Stem cells have the ability to replace cells and tissues that might have been damaged. This is a picture of stem cells. Bone cells. When you cut into a bone, inside of it is what you would call bone cells. Bone cells help grow and shape the bone. And this is a picture of bone cells, and it's like very tangled looking. Blood cells. There are many types of blood cells, like white and red blood cells. The blood cells carry oxygen from our lungs to the rest of our body. And there's a picture of red blood cells. Sperm cells. The sperm usually comes with animal eggs. The sperm turns into the animal. The sperm also has a head and a tail. So this is a picture of a sperm cell, and this is the head, and that's a very long tail. I mean, it's not long in reality. It's actually very, very small. The cell parts. Cell membrane. The cell membrane is like a protection layer for the cell. Cytoplasm. It is a thick liquid that fills up the cell. It mainly contains water, salt, and proteins. Ribosome. Cells have many tiny ribosomes, some in pairs and sometimes freely. They have a job in making proteins. Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is a stack of membranes. It prepares proteins and fats for use inside and outside the cell. Lysomes. The lysomes are used to kill the viruses and bacteria. DNA. The DNA comes from your parents, so if you look like them, you got it from your DNA. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new, and I hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.